Welcome back for another how-to with Levan tutorial. And today I'm going to show you a super easy way to make money in no time, step by step, even if this is your first time trying this process. So grab a water, take some notes, and stay till the end so you can start making money right now. Let's get started. So the super easy way you're going to be able to make money in this 5-step process is where we're going to do something called drop servicing. So what drop servicing is, in a nutshell, is you go find a customer that is willing to pay a certain amount. Then you'll have a store where that customer is going to purchase a specific service. Now, I'm going to do an example of the service in this that you're going to be able to follow step by step, but they'll come to your store, but you're not actually going to supply the service. So we're going to do logo design. I'm going to show you how to actually create a store, create a gig, have a place where customers will come find you, and we're going to charge them more, and then go find a supplier or a little hack of how you can get it cheaper. So if your customer comes to you and says, I'm going to pay $200, they come to your store, they pay, we're going to have someone else the work for us. If we can get this guy to do it for $100, we're gonna be able to keep $100 profit. So at the end of the day, it's kind of like subcontracting the real world, and we're going to just be the middle person in this work. So the first step in this process is we're going to need to sign up on Fiverr. We can do this for free, and all you have to do is go to fiverr.com. Click this button, join. You're going to have the option you can join on Facebook, Google, Apple. Enter in your email, hit continue. And this is where we're going to create a gig to design logos. That's the example that I'm doing in this one. But don't worry, I have a hack so you don't even have to be the designer or the supplier, that they're going to do it. You can plug and play. Once you have a Fiverr account set up, step 2 is you need to go and create an account on Placeit.net. You simply go here and you can create a free account, and you put in your email, your password, tell them you're not a robot, and then you sign up. Once you are signed up on Placeit, this is where we're going to use them to create awesome, amazing logos so you don't have to be a designer. This is where the hack comes in. You're going to have tons of different templates, and I'm going to show you some examples of how professional they are compared to people that actually use Adobe Photoshop and some of those really more technical things people actually go to school for. And we're going to use this site so when customers come to us for the gig, we're going to be able to complete the order. Now, step 3 is we're going to go back to Fiverr.com. Once you are signed up and ready to go and you put in your profile, your picture, and some of your information, we're going to let Fiverr do the marketing for us. It's a really huge company. They bring in thousands, if not millions of people every single month, and they're going to find us customers that are looking for logos. So to show you the demand in this, I'll go here, and you can see all these different people creating gigs of logos, and this is how you're going to be able to earn money over and over again as they find the customers for you. You can see they're charging 25, 25, 45. They've done over 525 orders just on this alone. So what you have to do is you need to become a seller. You click the right-hand button. We're going to become a seller. It's going to let us join here so we can create a gig. We're going to get started so you can sign up and do your gig. We're going to follow some of this information here. You're going to keep hitting continue. You're going to put in your name, you're going to put in your profile, fill in the description, some information down here. You'll hit continue. We're going to select logo design. You put graphics to design. You can add a couple things here. You don't even need to put a personal website. We'll hit continue. You can add some of your social presence. Continue. You can add your email. And once you're finished, it's going to allow you to create your gig. And here, you're going to put similar titles where we see other popular logo gigs, so we can use some of their ideas. I will do 2 minimalist. I will design logo unique. Just try to get creative. Whenever you create the gig, we're going to hit the category, your subject, do some search tags, and then we'll have our gig up and running so we can start getting customers. And Fiverr is going to locate all these customers that are going to message us saying we need logos for the specific price we're going to pay. Now, in this drop servicing model, to get into step 4, we need to get them to pay us more than what it's going to cost us to create. This is where Placeit comes into the game. Because in step 4, we're going to use it to create logos super easy in 5 minutes. And you don't need any experience to do this. All you have to be able to do is use your mouse, click some buttons. And most of the customers, when you do a gig on Fiverr, they're going to give you the color scheme. They're going to give you some ideas. And then you can even see some other popular ideas to give you ideas that are doing really well that we're going to see very similar on Placeit. So we'll go down here. Let's say we have a guy that wants to a girl clothing and beauty. We'll click here. Let's just do beauty. They're going to give us tons and tons of templates. Look at all these amazing logos, skincare, smooth, rosemary. These are templates that are already created for us so we can complete the order. So let's use this skincare. Just kind of use your eye. Whatever you like is generally going to be what other people like. So use a little common sense, and you're going to see how easy, where you don't need any experience. If you can just click and drag your mouse, you can move this over. Let's say their color scheme is black. You can change that. We can even change, let's say it's black, white. We can change the background, change the accent, we can turn it to blue. You get the idea. We can even change the natural. Maybe they want to put their logo like Million Rise. You can go here. You can make it larger. You get the idea. You'll be able to create these things in less than 5 minutes. It's kind of crazy what you can do with Placeit. When you put it over here, some easy money. And once you have all this done, you're going to download it. And in step 5, we're going to complete the order with the customer. And after that, you're going to make sure you can do some revisions. Maybe they can give you some ideas. Maybe they don't like, the coloring. They want it smaller. You just go back here. Hey, I need the text smaller. Let's say they're doing a revision. We'll go here. They need this smaller. Maybe they want it more to the right, to the left, whatever they need. And then once they are happy, they will give you a payment of whatever you decided on Fiverr that you put on your gig, anywhere from $25. Some people are charging $45, $25, $100 of just 5 minutes of your time. You post it on Fiverr as a one-time gig. You went on Placeit. Once you get really good at it, it might even take you less than 5 minutes. And you'll be able to rinse and repeat using this simple 5-step process so you can gain more customers. And now you have an easy and simple drop servicing business that will allow you to start making money right now. So just to recap, what you're going to do is we're going to use Fiverr to get the customer. We're going to use simple Placeit software that completes the order for the customer, where you're going to be able to get it for pennies, and then you can pocket the rest. So if you get $25 from Fiverr, $45 from Fiverr, they're going to take a little cut from you, but Placeit is going to be pennies for you to actually create tons and tons of logos. You can just keep doing this over and over again. So I hope you got some value from this tutorial, and I hope you give it a shot. And don't forget to give this video a like if you did find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, because you aren't going to want to miss any upcoming how to make online videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my many other videos that I'll keep posting weekly just for you.